into this application here. Once you have signed in, it will pretty much ask you a few questions. You can go ahead and answer these questions. So you don't have to follow me. I'm just skipping through these questions here, but you may need to answer these questions accordingly so you may get the best experience when using this application here. So yes. So once you're finished, you're gonna tap on continue here. We'll give you the option to start reading your first book based on what you have selected. And as you can see here, this is the home screen. So you have quite a lot of options as it relates to this here. You can start the project. Tap on this option here. You can give the book a title and so forth. And I'm just going to enter something random. Nothing much. Also, I'm going to select this option here as well. And tap on create and continue. So this is pretty much you starting to create your own book using this application here as well. It will take a while to create, so just give it a bit of time. Scans here will give you a few options which can pretty much add, as you can see here, and it will start creating the book for you. And this is pretty much the book that was created. So that's how easy it is to create your book using AI. So that's really pretty much it for that. And you have some other AI tools which you can use. You have the title generator for pretty much YouTube and those social media websites. And you also have the image book generator, which pretty much analyze your book and it will generate a title, not a title, but an image for that book. And as well, title generator I've already explained. Scans here as well, you have different writing styles which you can use as well. These features are mostly the pro subscription features, so you're going to need the pro subscription to use these features here. So the home section here, you can start by writing other things other than a book. You can see here, you can start writing a fairy tale using AI. You can start writing an essay using AI. As you can see here, you have the cover which you can use as well. So these are just some default covers which the application has given you, which you can use. And as well in the article section here, nothing much. These are just some books, I would say. There's some other books which you can read. As you can see here, nothing much for this. And as well, you can scroll and pretty much look at other things which you can read. And we'll show you some information as it relates to how to create ebook from start to finish and some other things here. So nothing much for that here. Profile section, nothing much as well. And you can go at the top here to get their subscription. You can open this option here. And here we're pretty much getting everything as it relates to their subscription. And they do offer a 3 days free trial, which you can test out their pro features which they have. And give me a feedback in the comment section. Let my people know if it's really worth it or not. So yeah, so that's really pretty much it. And if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if we can help you out.